What if I told you the world's most advanced humanoid robots aren't being built in Silicon Valley or Tokyo, but in China? While the rest of the world was busy showing off robot dogs and lab prototypes, China was quietly building an army of humanoid machines. Machines that walk like us, talk like us, and think like us. They're already in homes, classrooms, and factories, and they're just getting started. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. And the rest of the world? It's not even close to being ready. Over the last decade, China has built the most ambitious, state-backed robotics ecosystem in history. Billions in government funding, massive investments from tech giants like UB Tech, XPeng, and Unitree, and a strategy that skips the slow perfection of the lab and goes straight into the real world. Test, learn, deploy, repeat. That's the formula, and it's working. Western humanoids are still in the prototype phase, but China's are already punching clocks, flipping food, caring for the elderly, and teaching children. They're not clunky metal shells. They're nimble, intelligent, and evolving faster than anything we've seen before. Take the Unitree G1, a full-sized humanoid priced at just $16,000 0 cents. It walks, runs, jumps, and even boxes. It has 43 degrees of freedom, enough to mimic the full range of human motion, and runs on reinforcement learning, meaning the more it moves, the smarter it gets. This robot isn't just imitating us, it's improving on us. Whether it's flipping an omelet or recovering from a fall, the G1 adapts in real time. It's not just a tool, it's a fast-learning, self-correcting system. Then there's the Astrobot S1, your new personal assistant. This machine doesn't just respond, it reacts. With surgical precision, it pours wine, peels vegetables, and even shaves a cucumber without flinching. Its arms have 7 degrees of freedom, and its accuracy is measured within 0.3 millimeters. That's beyond human-level control. Thanks to natural language processing and proprietary AI models, it learns your voice, your habits, and your preferences. This isn't a pre-programmed gadget. It's a living, learning assistant. But while these robots bring agility and intelligence to the home, others are redefining what it means to work. In the factories of tomorrow, machines like the Kepler Forerunner K2 are already lifting steel beams, tightening bolts, and outperforming human workers. This isn't a robot built for showroom floors, it's built for danger zones. With 52 degrees of freedom and custom roller screw actuators, it generates up to 8,000 newtons of force, enough to lift heavy industrial materials with ease. But here's what's terrifyingly impressive. Each fingertip has 96 sensors. That's the kind of tactile awareness you'd expect from a trained craftsman. But the K2 doesn't need years of training. It learns tasks like assembly and inspection on the job and gets better over time. And then there's the Walker S1 by UB Robotics, a 1.7 meter tall, 76 kilogram humanoid already deployed in real-world factories like Foxconn and BYD. This isn't demo tech, it's running production lines, sorting parcels, inspecting defects, walking beside autonomous vehicles. Its learning-based motion system lets it navigate uneven terrain and stay functional under pressure. Real data shows it can improve manufacturing efficiency by over 120%, a number no human can match. But here's where things get even more surreal. Some of these robots aren't just built to work, they're built to connect. Meet the Engine PM1, a humanoid designed not just to move like a person, but to walk like one, talk like one, and even learn like one. At just 40 kilograms and 138 cm tall, this robot features an insane 320-degree waist rotation, over 23 ultra-flexible joints, and dual AI chips powered by Intel and NVIDIA. It doesn't just move fluidly, it learns to walk by mimicking real human motion data, trained via optical motion capture and adversarial learning. Every step it takes makes the next one better. It listens, it responds, it sees in 3D thanks to RealSense depth cameras. It talks back with stereo speakers and a natural tone. It can serve in classrooms, care centers, and interactive environments. It's not just efficient, it's emotionally intelligent. But if the PM1 is the future of interaction, the Magic Bot is the future of performance. Developed by Magic Lab, this robot has 42 degrees of freedom, precision actuators, and enough fine motor control to fold clothes, water plants, and even perform stage magic. Yes, actual magic tricks. Its hands mimic 70% of human gestures, and its arms can lift 20 kilograms. On a single charge, it can work for 5 hours straight. It's already being used in factory environments to coordinate complex tasks, pass parts with other robots, and work in perfect sync with humans. These aren't just machines built for labor. They're companions, partners, assistants, teachers, caregivers, and they're blurring the lines between code and consciousness. They don't get tired, they don't make excuses, they don't call in sick, and they're replacing roles we once believed were impossible to automate. Skilled labor, delicate craftsmanship, physical care, and even emotional engagement. The question isn't whether humanoid robots are coming, they're already here. The real question is, can the rest of the world catch up? Because while America debates AI ethics and Silicon Valley plays with prototypes, China's humanoid revolution is already walking, talking, working, and winning. And if this is what 2025 looks like, imagine the next 5 years. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which of these robots impressed you the most? The future is here, and it's walking on 2 legs.